No.
Yo, these are cool, right? I'm gonna dismount you for a second and fly around. Look at this. Look at these awesome demon wings. They're very cool. Right, don't be scared, buddy. Don't be scared. Why are you spooked? You're a skeleton. You can't be scared by anything. You're scary yourself. Oh, this is already a little bit crazy. Right, let's see who else needs some help. This piano? What could a piano possibly want? Let's have a party. Black piano. Okay. Let's play music. There we go. In come all the monsters. Oh my goodness! Harambe's back! Yes! Harambe's back and alive. What are you? You're a dancing monster. You are a behemoth. You are a Caecilian. I haven't even heard of these things. Are you a Cthulhu?